2026, clients don't just want a service, they want to feel like they're your top priority. But trying to scale that level of personalization by hand's impossible. The trick isn't to hire more account managers, it's about rolling out AI agents that take care of the hard yards in client retention so you can focus on the big picture strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how Bitrix24 uses AI to automate personalization and keep your clients coming back for more. Bitrix24 is an all-in-one CRM and business management platform. But what really sets it apart right now is how it uses AI, not just to store client data, but to actually help you manage, retain, and grow your client relationships. Today, I want to walk you through 3 areas where it really shines: AI-powered personalization, automated retention workflows, and predictive client management. Let's dive in. Once we've logged in, we're on the main dashboard of Bitrix24. The first thing worth mentioning is Bitrix24's built-in AI, called Copilot. Most CRMs just store your client history. Bitrix24 actually reads it and does something with it. Copilot can generate personalized email drafts and client communications based on the specific history you have with that person. Not just a generic template with their name thrown in, but outreach that actually references the real context of your previous conversation. That difference really matters. Clients can tell when someone's just a template, can't they? They can also tell when something isn't. Copilot bridges that gap at scale. So even if you're looking after hundreds of accounts, every interaction still feels personal. Before a client call, instead of scrolling back through months and notes and emails, Copilot pulls everything together into a neat summary. The full history, key moments, and where things stand right now. Your team goes into every call fully briefed, every single time. That's the sort of thing that makes clients feel remembered and valued, without hours of manual prep. The second area is automated workflows, and this is where Bitrix24 really starts to feel like it's working away in the background for you. You can set up CRM triggers that automatically kick in based on client behavior. If a client goes quiet for a certain number of days, a check-in gets triggered. If engagement drops below a certain threshold, an action's taken. These are your triggers, which you can customize along with the automation rules. Once you get to your notification, you can customize it however you need for these clients. All of the automation and notification settings and rules are right here under Workflow Automation. And you can see all the recent items you've used for your other workflow automations, along with the emails. You define the rules once and the platform takes care of the rest. The value here is that you're catching problems before they become problems. It rarely happens overnight. There are always signals: a missed callback, a slow response rate, a project that's drifted. These workflows pick up on those signals and respond automatically, so nothing slips through the cracks. So we can just enter our subject, and it goes even further than that too. When a high-value client reaches a certain milestone in their journey, the platform can automatically assign the right task to the right team member. No manual handover, no one has to notice and take action. The system manages the workflow on its own, so your team is always one step ahead without even having to think about it. All the clients and workflows are in here, all roles, all assigned, all of my tasks. The third area is where Bitrix24 shifts from being just a CRM to something more like a business operating system. The AI can predict client satisfaction and project success, spotting potential issues before they even come up. That's a pretty big change. You see, most tools only show you what's already happened. Bitrix24 tells you what's likely to happen next, so you can stay ahead of the game. And because everything is kept in one unified workspace, your CRM data, your project management, your communications, the AI can cross-reference all of it. It's not just looking at email open rates, it's looking at project progress, the tone of your communications, response times, and account history altogether. That gives you a genuine 360-degree view of how healthy each client relationship actually is. That's the real advantage of an all-in-one platform compared to using 5 separate tools that don't talk to each other. When everything's connected, the AI can actually see the full picture and act on it. So to sum it all up, Bitrix 24 gives you AI that personalizes your outreach, workflows that automatically retain clients, and predictive tools that flag issues before they cost you a relationship. So whether you're running a small team or managing a large client base, that combination is hard to argue with. Stop losing clients to the noise and start automating your retention. Click the link in the description to activate your free 15-day Bitrix 24 trial and put AI to work for your client management today. Don't forget, hit the link in the description, tap the like button, and make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.